Good afternoon, ngayon po ay July 31, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 31, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, July 31, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 31, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, July 31, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 31, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.